Hello and welcome back, Park Village Elementary and friends, to this week's second HTD How to Draw tutorial with Mr. Phelps. This one is somewhat of a bonus because some of the classes this week will be learning about and doing a reader's theater on the folklore legend John Henry. He was an African-American steel driving man during the 1870s where he worked on railroads. And let's jump into it. Writing utensil, eraser, straight edge. I want you guys to go ahead and make kind of a funny looking number 8. Kind of make it white at the top, across the middle. Eraser. Gonna get rid of the bottom section, and then you can go ahead and just draw 2 straight lines right off the paper. And then what I want you to do, kind of where the top of your 8 starts, go ahead and make almost like a surfboard, hot dog, oval across, and make it wider than the lines you just drew. Those are going to be his shoulders, and then from here I want you guys to kind of connect where those lines you made and curve them and connect them to the top part of that 8. Kind of like that. It almost looks like a funny looking light bulb. Let's erase. John Henry was a big man with some big muscles, and the start of his shoulder muscles and arms are going to come down. We'll make kind of another blob here. Just make kind of like that. And then this one is going to come this way. 2 eggs, like that. Okay, then we can go ahead and erase. And what you're going to need to do here is make another blob egg that kind of intersects with this one. So it's going to go like this. I want you to make a box or square rectangle right here. Okay. Now we're going to make another egg blob over here, and this one's going to kind of be a little bit wider. Kind of come off this portion of the arm like that. Make another box right about here. Should kind of almost line up like this. And you'll see why. Erase all the overlapping lines. Okay, let's start to turn this into arms. So what you can do is make a line here, make a line here, make a line here, last line is kind of already made for you. Round him off a little bit. And then make the top of his knuckles kind of just a little squiggle like that. His arm connects inwards like this on this side, and inward like that on this side. Make another line there as it continues to slant towards his body. And this will be where his shirt sleeve starts. So make a line, a curved line across his arm there. Make sure that arm connects like that. The sleeves kind of are rolled up, so they're gonna curve over like that. Okay, getting somewhere. Now let's go ahead and take our straight edge. Right in the middle of those lines, the fingers you made, connecting to the other fist, we're gonna draw his hammer. That's okay to overlap. It sticks out a little bit on this side. Just do your best. Don't forget about his thumb. You're gonna make kind of another curvy blob line here. Okay, his other hand, we're gonna make his first finger goes like that. The next one, make a line here, a line there. Erase the top of this one because the pinky finger is always a little bit smaller. Just like that. Erase the box. His hand's going to slant in like that. Put a line there. Another line here. Top of his knuckles. A little squiggle like that. Looks good. His arm's going to kind of slant back into his body like this. Make his chest a little wider. Don't forget the thumb up here. Shirt sleeve's gonna start right there, make another line, another line, then for his hammer, just gonna make another kind of square rectangle. Rectangle. Make the side of it, it kind of curves in a little bit to show that 3D kind of angle. Just got to finish up a couple details. His pants, start right underneath the hammer, and just make a line across there. He's wearing overalls, so we're going to make kind of the start of a triangle here. Actually, it's going to be more like an A. We're going to make an A here and here. As even as you can. Now make a triangle here. And it's going to curve up his body like that. On the other side. Circle here for his neck. It actually kind of is unbuttoned in the bottom there. Just make the two buttons. And then his head, we're gonna kind of make, it's gonna look a little bit funny to start, but make another kind of egg shape and a very pointed chin. Not pointy, still gonna be rounded, but make it skinny at the bottom and open up at the top. His neck comes down like this, just two little lines from the side of his head. And then his hair, Mr. Phelps didn't leave enough room for it. It just comes around like that. Just make two little half ovals for his ears. His nose, make a small line here, small line here. Make a curve here, a little half circle. And make it look the same on the other side, just like that. One line here, we're gonna make his mouth. Mouth comes slanted here, slanted there. Make it a little bit thicker. This is the bottom of his lip. His eyes are going to be kind of right at the tip of the sides of his nose. Kind of like that. Just keeping already colored in black here, black there. Got some thick eyebrows. We gotta add just a little bit of detail to his chest and kind of make a line right there. That's pretty much it. I wanted to go ahead and trace and color mine to make my drawing of John Henry look a little better, but by no means do you need to or have to, only if you want to. But of course, let's go ahead and sign our artwork. And that was our bonus HTD on how to draw John Henry, the African-American folklore steel driving man. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. And for those of you who are learning about John Henry this week, I hope you enjoy that as well. And I'll see you guys next time.